guys, it's your girl Kharah J, and if you're new, hi, I'm Kharah J. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos, but in today's video I am doing something different. I am showing you, my friends, how I created my intro that you just watched. Now it's not a how-to video, but it's just you watching me how I created, you watching me doing this project on my own, and I enjoy every bit of it. It took me like half an hour to an hour, and I love it so much. I enjoy every bit of it. Now you definitely want to go ahead and check the description because there's some additive information on where I get my where I got my smoke effects from and all of that jazz. So definitely go ahead and check the description. Now just to give you like a rundown on what I did, I got a white background because I knew I wanted it to be white, have a white background, and I selected pictures that I think would look cute, so I edit those videos, edit those pictures, select a music that I like, and I knew I wanted a smoke effect, so I sourced that. Check the description. And yes, so I just play around with my software and what it has to offer in the sense of transitions and effects, and each time I would add something or add an effect, I would play it just to see how it comes out. Oh, do I like that? Do I like it when it's like that? It does take time, and you can do it too. Now if you want like a full-on tutorial on how I created this same intro, I could show you that. I have no issue with showing you that. It's kind of easy now, that because I will be repeating the steps, so it would be easier for me to show you. But here it took like so long, but I got it done, girl. And if you're a content creator, there's so much time we have now to work on our content, work on our channel, work on our branding and stuff, answering our emails, etc, etc. We have time, sis, or sir, we got time. So let's get it. And I hope you're inspired by this video to say, hey, I like her intro, let me go revamp, let me go do something. And that's just basically what the video is about. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. I just want to say thank you for the continuous support. I appreciate all of you guys, and I hope you guys are staying safe. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.